We're talking fibroids, ovarian cysts, fibrocystic breasts, PCOS, and even reproductive cancers. Too often, the standard approach is to throw more hormones at the problem. But that's like throwing gasoline on a fire that's already out of control. And while these prescriptions may offer temporary relief, they often cause new problems in the long run. Most women I meet would love an alternative, but many feel like they have no other choice. The truth is, you do. And to understand how to fix your hormones, we first have to look at what's really going on. Let's start with a quick look at the 3 key hormones involved: estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Progesterone and testosterone are made in the ovaries and adrenal glands. Estrogen is a bit different. It's also produced in the ovaries and adrenals, but it can also be made in other parts of the body, including fat tissue. That's an important point. Even after menopause, women still produce estrogen, and most of it is stored inside cells, not floating around in the bloodstream. That means typical hormone tests, blood, saliva, or urine, may not give you a full picture of how much estrogen is actually in your body. Estrogen is often at the center of hormone imbalances, so that's where we'll focus. But instead of just looking at how to control estrogen, we're going to ask, why does it get out of balance in the first place? First, let's appreciate what estrogen is supposed to do. Estrogen is a growth hormone. During puberty, it helps shape the female body by promoting fat storage in the thighs, buttocks, and breasts. It supports the development of the reproductive organs, like the uterus and vagina. It also plays a critical role in the menstrual cycle. In the first half of the cycle, it thickens the uterine lining and eventually triggers ovulation, which then leads to a surge in progesterone. Beyond reproduction, estrogen supports bone density, protects cardiovascular health, and even affects your brain. It interacts with neurotransmitters like serotonin, which means it helps regulate mood and emotional well-being. When estrogen is in balance, it helps your body thrive. But when it's not, things can get complicated. In the next video, we'll explore what happens when estrogen gets out of balance, and why so many women today are living with estrogen dominance without even knowing it. So be sure to watch part 2, where we dive deeper into the symptoms, causes, and overlooked effects of hormonal imbalance. If you're enjoying this so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next video.